This song is called Blackbirds and a White Sycamore. It is about the scariest thing I can think of. A woman's scorn. Yeah, I hope you don't make me feel like I'm drinking alone up here, folks. The song goes like this. Sycamore. They don't say much since my baby hit the door. Can't forgive me for what I have done, so I rode that white train into the sun. There's no reason to hate like I do. There's no reason to take it out on you. Sorry, baby, I guess I was born this way, but that doesn't make up what I never say. Jesus forgives, but a woman don't forget. I guess she ain't made me sorry enough yet. Turn her soul a shade of black. Don't know why I was never satisfied, but that woman loved me, never left my side. Sleep at night, oh, I see her tears in the morning light. Angel of kindness, mercy and grace, this empty bottle never will replace. Jesus forgives, but a woman don't forget. I guess she ain't made me